not done yet. Almost.
Can we go now?
No.
Why? It's time to go. All I asked you was to pick things up a little bit, not to organize everything.
I'm not organizing. Not no more, no.
That's not gonna fit, baby. Just put it over here near.
I've seen something under here.
Oh boy, is there something out of place?
Nope, there are more letters. That's letters.
And all the letters have to be together?
Yep.
Come on, baby. I think it's time for us to go.
Okay, and I'm almost done. I'm just putting these over here. And then I'll be done.
Layla, don't put them all on there. Let's go. Layla.
But,
No, come on.
well, they're supposed to be on here.
Layla, can we please
Then guys get out. And then,
take them back down and come put them over here?
well, all of them,
Yes, please.
they used to be up here. And then kids just kick them all down.
Okay, well, can you put them away, please? Just put them up. Okay, thank you.
Right? There's no one over tripping on. Really.
Okay.